Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mahbuba Begum, Assistant Teacher in English of Kaspur Omorali High School. My dear students of class 9 and 10, I hope you are fine and are staying at home. I am also fine. You know we are passing a crucial time, and for this I am here before you in such way. And now all of you are welcomed to my online class. Today I would like to analyze regarding degree. I believe your concept will be cleared after receiving this class. So be attentive and stay with me for some time. As our today's lesson is regarding degree, so first we will have to know what is degree. My students, degree means a qualitative comparison of adjective and adverb. It is also refers to the level of them. You know there are 3 degrees of comparison, and they are, look at the board, positive, comparative, then superlative. Follow the example. Tarek is wise. Dear students, here wise an adjective, and it has only the existence in this sentence, but it never makes any comparison with others. So it is called positive degree. Then my students, follow the another example. Tarek is wiser than Shahid. Here adjective wiser makes a comparison between Tarek and Shahid, and it is the characteristic of comparative degree. Then my students, follow the last example. Tarek is the wisest boy in the class. Here Tarek is compared with all the boys, so we call it superlative degree. It is also the greatest degree of adjective and adverb. My students, here we notice that in positive degree the adjective wise has a root form, and in comparative and superlative it has been changed. So my students, now I will show you 4 rules of changing adjective and adverb from one degree to another degree. Rule first, the adjectives or adverbs which contain one syllable we will use here ER for comparative and EST for superlative. Look at the example. Great, greater, greatest. Large, larger, largest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Now my students, now go for rule 2. Here I use CBC. CBC. CBC means consonant, vowel, consonant. If any word is formed by CBC, then last letter will be double with ER and EST. Follow the board. Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, it is formed by CBC. Bigger, biggest. latest. Now my students, now I want to move rule 3. If there is y at the end of a word and before that there is a consonant, then y will be dropped and add IER for comparative and IEST for superlative. Follow the example. Lazy. Lazier. Laziest. Busy. Busier. Busiest. My students, now I want to go rule 4. Students, go to the rule 4. This is the last rule. If the words have 2 or more syllables, then I will use here before the word more for comparative and most for superlative. Look at the board. Careful. More careful. We use here more. Then most careful. We used for superlative most. Comfortable. More comfortable. Most comfortable. My students, here we use more for comparative and most for superlative. Now, my students, here we have learned 4 rules, but there are some more words which don't care any rule. They are follow the board. Little, less, least. Little. Good, better, best. They have maintained no rule. You will memorize them from your book. Dear students, this is all for today. You should exercise it at home. You will see me again very soon with the rest of part of today's lesson. Stay home, stay safe, wear mask when you go out. Thank you.